Something turned up in the post today. I only ordered it a few days ago, but it's here. Let's unbox it, and then we've got to build up a frame to support it. So let's have a look down here. It's quite heavy for what it is. I apologise for the shaking, it's because I'm on the end of the table. Get my trusty knife out, which isn't very sharp at the moment. Job for Tina. She's the knife sharpener. Seems to be anyway. Oh, I've got some polystyrene in here. Oh, the box down there. So, as you can see, it's a grow light. 2 foot grow light, which will go lovely above the propagator. It's got some little straps on the back so we can hang it. It's on an English plug, which is no problem because I can change that easily enough. So, got some instructions in here. This is what they call a high output T5 grow fluorescent fixture. A bit of rubbish over there. It's quite heavy. It's very well built. I shall leave that coating on the reflectors until I'm ready to put it all together. Got this off eBay. I think that was £45. So, next step will be to make up a bit of a framework for it. So that's the job out in the garage. So that's where we shall head. It's construction time again. Got my glasses on. See what I'm doing. Dirty old jumper. Tina's got the tools out ready. We're going to get some plywood out. I've got my tape measure and some measurements. So we're going to get constructing. This is going to be the framework that holds the glow light. The grow light. So I need to take measurements of the propagator with the lid on and the extra base that's going to be on it when the heat mats turn up eventually. So I'm going to have to take measurements of the propagator, work out how high above that I want the grow light, take the grow light dimensions into account, then we can design this light stand. So let's go over to the work, mate. Right, so I've got the propagator. It's on this polystyrene in a minute, but the polystyrene will be the base of the propagator when the heat mats turn up. So I need to take a measurement from the bottom of there. So if I say that's a foot, 12 inches. 12 inches high. Approximately 15 inches wide. and that's to get the light to hang it needs to be 28, so that's going to fit over that just perfect, isn't it? So 28 wide is going to be just spot on. This polystyrene will all become apparent in another video. Got it laid out, measured out. We think this is going to be right. Give you that.
You've got plenty of plywood if it goes wrong.
Well, I don't have to keep doing it.
I know. Just mind your knees and your cushion and everything.
So here goes. Have you got it? Don't push it down too much. Yellow handled saw, please. Right where the measurements are is a bleeding great knot. So I'm going to cut the manky end off of here, square it up, and then measure it back a bit more. Now, I think we're going to take it indoors, set it all up on the table, put these on the base to strengthen it, and then work out how we're going to hang the light. So the framework's all made. I'm going to put the bulbs in the lights now. So we'll take this this coating off. Nice new reflectors in there. Try not to touch them. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And again, easy peasy. Can you just, oh, he's on. So this is what we've built. There's the grow light. Now Tina's going to plug it in and we'll see how bright it is. Both tubes are on.
Won't feel anything yet.
No. So there's the start of our growing with grow lights. There it is, all in place. Propagator, all the seeds, grow light. Watch this space. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Now you're a little bit wiser at how to bodge up a stand for hanging a grow light. I'm not sure about the height of it yet, but we can adjust that as and when. It's just that in this kitchen, when we grow seeds in here, the propagator does a lovely job, but it's too dark and they stretch for the light. The plants, they get really long and leggy, so hopefully this grow light will help all that. So yeah, if you like this video, please click the thumbs up, all helps the channel. Comment below, ask any questions you like. Subscribe if you haven't already, and it's bye for now.